To get started, just click the warning icon and then drag a number series into the data well, and you can apply any aggregation you like here. Now we're using sum of thousands, which is also shown here on this card, so we know that this value is 24,000. Which icon displays here, and which tooltip and which colour, depends on the settings that you set in the formatting pane. So we have high, medium and low value, below low value and error value. And the first three of these all act in much the same way. The reason that you're seeing a tick there is because 24,000 is above this high value of 20,000 that's been entered. And anything that you choose here is what will show in your visual where the value exceeds this high value. Now if we were to change this to a value we know is higher, all of the settings for high value are ignored, because the system now says, okay, 24,000 is above 10,000, but it's below 30,000, and therefore the medium value is the one that applies. Now note that you could show blank here. So the purpose of this report or visual really is to make your report as uncluttered as possible. So you can set it up just to show an icon where a level has exceeded or fallen below a particular level. Below low value is much the same, but you don't set a threshold for it because it takes the threshold value from low value. So this icon will show or not show, if you have blank set, if the value falls below 10 in this case. Finally, you have error value, and this doesn't mean that the warning visual isn't working. It can be used to audit your data and show there's a problem with the series to your users, so it's kind of operational. So if we drag, say, day of the week, which is a text series, into the visual, it triggers this error value for us instead. And you can of course modify the tooltip there to explain to your users why they are seeing that. And that's it. The warning visual helps you to highlight key insights without cluttering your report. Why not try it out and customize it for yourself?